gi Emmanuel to man Mbeere North go kode mbaka e chenro mar ong'we yamo nikech ok onya winjo dholuo koro wadhi go kode mbaka gi chenro mag dhok mar Kizungu. Emmanuel to oimore wana. Good evening, it's good to hear from you. What's the latest from where you are?
Trevor and Embu County. This is where my English ends and my Luo ends and my English starts. And of course, we have had a long day today. It has been a very busy day with the police giving their statements. We have seen some accusations, counter-accusations from both sides of the major political blocks here in Embu County. And from the evening report that we have actually, for the story that has been done by Walter Nyambaga there, is that we have seen those roadblocks that had been erected by the members of the police still there. A few minutes ago, we actually made a stop at one of the entrances into the Embu County or Embu town, and the roadblocks are still there, and we have been told that they will be there until late tomorrow, or rather up after the polls and after the winners are announced. And this, the police are saying, is a plan to deter and, of course, keep off goons who may be ferried into Embu County and towards Mbeere North constituency through the channels that have been used before to infiltrate into these by-election. And, it is a very high-stakes election. And the biggest question has been how to identify goons. We have seen the police officers stop some vehicles, search them, and allow them to proceed. But I don't know how they are going to really know who a goon is and who is not, because some of them are, according to reports that we have received, may even use unconventional means and use high-end vehicles to access the CBD or the central business district of Embu. And I don't know whether they also have a goonometer or whether there's something like that to know this is a goon and this is not one. Maybe Trevor, you'll tell us. But of course, the preparations are still in top gear. We have had that the candidates, the top candidates, including Leonard Wamudenda of the UDA party, and also Newton Karish or Karaoke, and also the Chama cha Kazi candidate Duncan Boy and others will be voting early morning. We have received reports that they will be voting between 6 and 7 a.m. tomorrow, and to also allow the other processes to continue. And I think they're borrowing a leaf from what UDA did in 2022, because you remember President William Ruto voted almost at the first person at the ballot at the polling station, and I think they're using this to rally support, because voter turnout is going to be the deciding factor in this, because traditionally by-elections do not have the good turnout. From the 55,124 registered voters here, we expect that the numbers may be slightly lower than what we saw in 2022. So, Trevor, we are here waiting for everything else as we wait to know who between the 9 candidates who have been cleared will be the next member of parliament from Mbeere North.
Thanks, Emmanuel. Emmanuel speaking to us from Mbeere North. And Emmanuel toka go kodwa mbaka Mbeere North. Wadhi ne bele gi chenro maroni duol mochung' ne chenro mag tayo yiero pacho kae IEBC. Okonikruok duto seketi makare ne yiero maduong'.